Myself Rajaboopathy, founder and mentor, RADIAN IAS Academy. I myself handling junior IAS classes. So this is 2025-26 junior IAS foundation course, especially for school and college students. So anyone can attend from 6th standard onwards. So mainly maths, science foundation, and GK and current affairs. This course encourages students to develop critical thinking, stay updated on current affairs and general knowledge. Not only helps them excel in their exams, but also prepare for the future academic and professional endeavors, including competitive examinations like IIT, JEE, NEET, or CLAT, or NDA, CDS, or UPSC examinations. So every month you get the schedule of the classes. To get class links, kindly WhatsApp this to this number 98403-98093. WhatsApp JIAS. You can attend 1 or 2 sessions free for joining the course. For this course, only nominal course fee right now, rupees 500 per month only. You can pay monthly. Junior IAS course fees monthly rupees 500 only. So for the period 10th of every month, for example 10th of this May to 10th of June 2025, you get live classes as well as recordings also. Even if you miss to attend any of these classes, you will get full class recordings. The next class is 14th May 2025. The live class link is there in the description of this video. Now watch today's live class recording. Now voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Renu Chakravarti, something like. What's your name? Okay. What is 12 cube? Anyone? What is 12 cube?
Sir,
I told you in the last class to memorize 1 cube to 15 cube and 1 square to 25 square. What is 12 cube?
sir, 1728, sir.
1728. Why taking so much time?
So just now I have turned on the mic. It's
Your name?
Priyadarshini, sir.
Priyadarsh. What is 17 squared, Priyadarshini?
Sir, 289.
289. Okay. What is 11 cube?
So 11 cube is 1331, right?
Correct. 24 squared?
So 24 square is 576.
Okay. Any other volunteer? Any
Sir?
other? What's your name?
Sir, Krish.
Krish. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which standard?
Sir, 7th to 8th, sir.
8th standard now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. What is 13 squared?
2197, sir.
13 squared.
13 square.
13 squared. 13 squared means what? So I'll write on the board 13 into 13.
169.
169. You said 13 cube, correct?
Yes, sir.
I asked 13 squared. Okay. 13 squared. Okay. Right. What is 9 cube?
729, sir.
I told in the last class to memorize 1 square to 25 square and 1 cube to 15 cube. Come prepare with these in the next class. Okay.
Sir.
So I thought 38 squared. Okay. You answer who? Balu answered. Adi answered 38 squared. Okay. Right.
Sir, I got
And
it
any
was
other
13
one?
square, sir. Word 38 square, sir, but it was 13. I didn't know, sir.
Okay, 13. Okay. I asked 13 squared only, not 38 squared. 38 squared is too much for you. Okay. But anyway, you said you know up to till 50 squared, correct? In the last class.
Actually, I studied 5 more, sir. 55, sir, now.
Till 55 squared. Huh?
Sir.
Whenever you talk, introduce with your name and the first time at least in the class. First time. Your name and standard. That's all.
Okay, sir.
What's the name?
Aryan.
Aryan. Which standard?
6th. Actually, 7th. Actually.
You are going into 7th. Okay. Right. Okay. You attended last class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For your simple question, what is 65 square?
65 square.
65. 65.
3025.
Again. Come again. Try again. 65 square. What is 65 square? 6 into 5 or 6 into 7? 6 into 5 or 6 into 7?
6 into 7.
So what is the answer? What is 65 square?
Correct. 4200.
Wait. Others wait. Please keep quiet. Others keep quiet. Okay. Yeah. Arya, what is 65 square?
4,245 and 25 and 25.
25 or 45?
25.
Yeah, always ends with 25. Okay, always ends with 25. Okay, right. You are answering correctly. Okay, right. What is 35 squared? 35.
1825.
Huh?
1825.
18. You know the concept?
Yes, sir.
And what is how you get 18? What is 35 squared?
Sir, 1225.
Why 18? Tell me.
Sir, by mistake, sir. Sorry.
You multiply 3 with 6. Next number of 5. Okay, no, it's not like that. Okay, right.
Okay.
One more. Can you try?
Okay, sir.
Don't write anything. See, you can do mentally. Try to do everything. Try to do these things mentally. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't write. No need to
Okay.
write.
Okay,
What
sir.
is 95 square? 95 into 95.
Sir, 9,025.
Yeah, 9025. Correct. Excellent. Thank you. Right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any others? Any other volunteer?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir, me,
Name?
Adi Jagannathan, sir.
Adinagar. Already. Any new? Any of the student not interacted so far? Using Mike, Tulasi Subramanian, and Renuka Chakraborty. Without hesitation, speak. Simple. See, even if you answer incorrect, no problem. Nothing doing. Okay. I'm asking general questions. Any volunteers? Not with maths. General questions. Any volunteers? Come on.
Sir.
What's your name?
Sir Krish.
Krish. Okay. Right. What is your favorite subject, Krish?
Math, sir.
Maths. Okay. Which standard?
Sir, 8th, sir. 7 to 8, sir.
8th. Okay. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
smallest prime number?
Smallest. 1.
So you didn't attend my last class?
No, sir.
Sir, I know, sir.
I said smallest prime number is 2. See, everyone answered first. Check in the chat box. Everyone is answering 2, 2, 2. I said 1 is, see, the student of 8th standard should not say 1 is a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor, what is the opposite of prime number?
Composite number.
Composite. So 1 is, please note that 1 is neither prime nor composite. So now tell me what is the smallest composite number? Smallest composite number.
4.
Try. No problem. Yeah. Even if you say 3 or 4 or no problem. What is smallest composite number? Correct.
4.
Answer confidently. See, even if it is incorrect, also answer confidently. Okay. Other than maths, which subject you like? Besides maths, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. I asked questions. Other than maths, which subject you like?
Social science.
Social science. Which subject? Which topic? Which chapter?
Geography.
In geography, which chapter?
3rd chapter, like inside our earth.
Inside?
Our earth.
Okay. Shall I ask one question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From earth top to the center, arrange the following 3 in the order: mantle, crust, core. Right? Tell in order.
Mantle, core.
Tell in order from the surface to center of the earth.
Crust, mantle, core.
Crust and mantle and
Core.
core. Excellent. Okay. Crust is the topmost portion. Okay. Then mantle, then core. Okay. Okay. You know the discontinuity? Have you heard about discontinuity?
No,
Moho discontinuity in crust is made up of
Sial
sial.
and Sima.
Sial. Sima for mantle. What do you mean by Cl? What is Al stands for?
Aluminium.
Aluminium. Si stands for?
Silica.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Right. Thank you. Next student.
Jason JK.
Jason JK. Very good. Which standard?
Now 6th and next 7th.
6 to?
7th.
6 to 7. Okay. What is your favorite subject?
Science.
Science. Science consists of what? Physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Which one you like the most?
Sir, chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. Which chapter? Okay.
Sir, now we don't have those kind of stuff.
Okay, right. Okay, no problem. Okay. Have you heard about periodic table?
Yeah.
Who devised the modern periodic table?
Sir, I haven't heard about that.
Okay. Right. Okay. What are the 3 forms of matters?
Solid.
Yes.
Liquid.
Okay.
Gas.
Gas. Okay. Excellent. In which is the lightest element? Which is the lightest element? Lightest element.
Oxygen. Gas.
Not gas. Even among gas or any element. This is the lightest element in the world.
Helium.
So which is number 1 in the periodic table? Which is the first element in the periodic table? Number 1 element in the periodic table is the lightest. Which is number 1? Hydrogen.
Oh, yes. Sir.
Second is helium. Please note that helium weighs more than hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest of all gases, not only gases, all elements in the world. Therefore, it occupies the first position. Okay, very good, excellent. Any other person? Your name?
Adi Jagannathan, sir.
Again, Adi is coming. Okay, what is your favorite subject?
Sir, GK, sir.
Okay, so GK from the books, or you learn from outside sources also, outside textbook, your school textbooks also?
Sir, mostly I used to learn from textbooks, sir.
You can ask any GK question to me. Adi.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am thinking, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I'm thinking of a question. Sir, what is the capital of the country Brunei, sir?
Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan. Correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Which is the, I'll ask a question. Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which is the longest bone in our body? Anyone can answer this question. In mic or type, longest bone in our body. Longest bone in our body is femur, which is thigh bone. Thigh bone.
Sir, thigh bone.
Thigh bone. Thigh bone is called, technically it is called what? So what is the name for it? Femur. F-T. Okay. Any girl? Mostly boys are answering.
Hidaya Genova. I am going to 6th standard, sir.
What is your favorite subject?
English, sir.
English.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
can I ask you a basic question in English?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Ready?
Sir.
Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Right. How many consonants in English language? How many consonants? How many consonants in English language? How many vowels? How many vowels?
5 vowels, sir.
Okay, total number of letters in English language?
26.
26.
6.
So consonant is equal to total number of letters minus vowels. So answer is
21, sir.
21. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Name the word. Name the English word which contains all the 5 vowels. Name the English word which contains all the 5 vowels. The answer is education. Education contains all the 5 vowels. Check, check. A, E, I, O, U. So, education is the smallest English word containing all 5 vowels together. Today's topic.
Sir, India, Pakistan.
Science and technology.
Oh, that is about current affairs. India-Pakistan war was over, at least temporarily. I said in science, which topic I am going to take today?
SI unit, sir.
SI units. Right. So today, the topic is SI units. What do you mean by SI? SI stands for. What is SI?
Sir, standard in
Yeah, tell me. See, SI stands for what? What is SI? SI means what? It is International System of Unit. It is a French word. It's a French word, SI, French abbreviation. Okay, it is called Système International. Système International. Okay. Now, very important question. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between abbreviation and acronym? Abbreviation and acronym.
Sir.
Try, no problem. Abbreviation.
Sir, I know.
Yeah, who?
Sir, me, sir. Adi.
Solunga Adi.
Sir,
What
abbreviation is a group of words shortened down, sir.
Okay.
But it will not have a full meaning, sir. But in an acronym, when you shorten the words, you will get actual meaning, sir.
Example. ISRO, USA, SI. These are all abbreviations. Similarly, IAS, NASA, all are abbreviations. Please note that, very important. All are abbreviations. If any abbreviation is pronounced as a single word, then it is called acronym. Understood? Understood means yes or no. Solunga pa.
yes, sir.
Example now.
Sir, could you explain acronym one more time?
Okay. For example, NASA. How will you pronounce?
NASA.
NASA. As a single word you are pronouncing. Therefore, this is also known as acronym. How will you pronounce USA?
USA.
Will you pronounce as a Usha?
No.
No.
Sir.
USA. Letter by letter. If you pronounce letter by letter, it is just an abbreviation. But ISRO, sometimes I'll pronounce as what? ISRO. So therefore, ISRO is what?
Acronym.
Acronym.
And abbreviation.
Now tell me some acronym. Can I say WHO? WHO is an acronym or only abbreviation?
Acronym,
Acronym. WHO can be pronounced as what?
UNESCO, sir. UNESCO.
World Health Organization.
Very good, very good. You said UNESCO,
UNESCO.
SARC,
NGO.
NGO is what? Tell me. NGO is acronym or abbreviation only?
Abbreviation, sir.
Please, please note that very important. Please note that all are abbreviations. All are abbreviations. But if any abbreviation is pronounced as a single word, it is called acronym. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Right. So you are supposed to know the expansion of every abbreviation. Expansion. What is NASA? National Aeronautics and Space Administration. What is ISRO? At least tell me. What is ISRO?
Indian
Sir,
Space
Indian Space
Research Organization. Oh, Indian Space.
Indian Space Research
Indian Space
Organization.
Research Organization.
Indian Space and Research Organization. Okay, right. So SI units. So what is SI units? It is internationally called as International System Units. It is used for what? Measurement purpose. For system of measurement. Okay. First, we'll start with how will you measure distance? This is very important. So therefore, for each and everyone, I'll go in detail. Okay.
Sir,
How
meter.
will you normally measure distance?
Meter.
No, normally how will you measure? Only meter. Normally how will you measure? This is the basic unit. But normally
Kilometer, meter, centimeter.
normally distance. For example, someone is asking how far your school is from your home. So how do you say? What will be your answer?
10 kilometer.
You say that 4 kilometer. So distance. So the distance is measured by means of many. Like it can be. What is the lowest unit? As far as you know, lowest millimeter. Even micrometer is there, but millimeter is one of the lowest unit. Then centimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, decameter, hectometer, and meter, kilometer. Nanometer is what? 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, one of the lowest, one of the least, one of the smallest form of measurement. Okay,
Yes,
right. So many, but in System International, one of the standard unit for measuring the distance is what? Meter. So Americans write meter as meter. Okay, we write British, we follow British method. METRE. How many meter is equal to 1 kilometer?
Sir, 1,000.
1,000 meter.
1,000 meter.
1,000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay. 1 light year is a unit of distance or any other thing?
Sir, distance. Sir, how many years a light takes to travel, sir?
What do you mean by one light year is unit of distance or unit of time?
Unit of time, sir. Time. Time, sir.
Distance, sir.
Huh? It is not unit of. It is not unit of time. It is unit of a distance. This is the distance traveled by a light in 1 year. Very important. Distance travel. What is the distance? What is the speed of light?
Sir,
3 into 10 to the
I'll say a simple word. It is 3 lakh kilometer. 3 lakh kilometer per second. So please note down everything. Note down everything. எல்லாரும் நோட் வச்சிருந்தானே அட்டெண்ட் பண்றீங்க?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 lakh kilometer per second. Time கொடுக்கிறேன். Right. What is the speed of sound? Which is faster? Speed of light is faster or speed of sound is faster?
light, sir.
Light is, please note that, ultra fast. Can't even imagine the speed of the light. 3 lakh kilometer per second, whereas speed of sound is approximately.
Sir, 767 miles per hour, sir.
Approximately 330 meter per second. approximately, but he is telling in terms of hours. I'm telling in terms of second. Approximately 330. So if you can say that it is close to 333. So these are very, very important. These facts you are supposed to know. What is gravity? What is gravity of Earth?
Gravity means pulling force.
9.8 meter per second, sir.
Meter per second square. I'll explain later second what is second square and all later. Okay. So gravity you are supposed to know that 3.8 meter per second square. Okay. So these are all distance. Okay. Distance, one of the lowest unit, as you said, nanometer. Nanometer is one of the smallest measuring unit. What are the largest measuring unit is light year. And also another one is, I'll tell, one astronomical unit. Have you heard about astronomical unit?
Yes,
One AU.
Sir, distance between sun and earth, sir.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Distance between sun and earth, sir.
Approximate. You are supposed to use the word, but it's not. The distance between sun and earth is not constant every time, because the earth is revolving around the sun not as a circular orbit, in an elliptical orbit. So therefore, one astronomical unit is nothing but the average distance between the sun and the earth. Average distance. One AU. This is very important. AU. AU means astronomical unit. If you want spelling also, I'll write astronomical, you know. Next is mass. What do you mean by mass?
Wait, sir.
Large, sir.
Wait.
Weight.
Mass,
sir,
see,
weight.
mass is not weight. Mass is different. Weight is different. Define mass.
Large.
Sir, mass
Large
is
quantity.
amount of matter in an object, sir.
Okay. So mass definition according to the physics. This is an amount, or the amount of something occupies in space. For example, you occupy some space in space. Therefore, you have some mass. Everything has mass.
Sir, can you give like a definite explanation for what is mass?
What is that?
What is mass?
Mass. Mass is the amount of matter in any body. That's all.
Okay, sir.
The amount of matter present in any body. Okay. This is measured in terms of kilogram. But very important is the difference between mass and weight. Mass is different, weight is different. Very, very important is, please note, mass is constant everywhere. Suppose if your mass is 60 kg, yeah, on earth also 60 kg, on sun also 60 kg, on moon also 60 kg. Mass is same everywhere, but weight varies from place to place. Weight varies from place to place. So one of you asked about AU. One AU is equal to approximately 150 million kilometer. What is one AU? Astronomical unit. One AU is approximately 150 million kilometer. Million. How many zeros for million? One followed by how many zeros? Huh?
6 zeros, sir.
6 zeros. 1 lakh, how many zeros?
5 zeros, sir.
5 zeros, sir.
5 zeros. Okay. 1 crore, how many zeros? 1
7
crore, how
zeros.
many zeros?
7
Huh?
zeros, sir. 7 zeros.
7 zeros. Okay. 1 billion, how many zeros? 1
9
billion.
zeros, sir.
1 billion, how many zeros?
9 zeros, sir.
Huh?
9 zeros, sir.
9 zeros. Okay. 1 billion is equal to how many crores?
100 crores, sir.
100 crores, sir.
1 billion is equal to 100 crores. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. 1 crore is equal to how many lakhs?
100 lakhs.
100 lakhs, sir.
100 lakh. 100 lakh. Okay. So this is about mass. So please note that mass and weight are different. Mass is constant everywhere, but weight varies from place to place. So what is weight in terms of mass is m into g is attached to it. So W, weight is equal to mass into G. Therefore, the weight depends on gravity. So in Earth, gravity is more, or on Moon, gravity is more. Earth gravity.
Earth, sir.
Sir, Moon's gravity is 1/6 of the Earth's, sir.
Where gravity is more? Where gravity is more? Earth or Moon?
Earth, sir.
Whenever a body, when you compare two bodies, if mass of the first body is more than, if the mass of the first body is more than that of the second one, then the gravity of the first body will be more that of the second one. So the gravity is directly proportional to mass. So when compared to Moon, Earth is small or big? When compared to Earth, Moon, when compared to Moon, Earth is big. So therefore the gravity of Earth is higher, right? Normally, as Adi said, it is 1/6. So 1/6, 1/6. The Moon's gravity is 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. For example, now I ask a question. We'll see who is going to answer this question. We'll see first. The mass of a person on Earth is 60 kg. The mass of the person on Earth is 60 kg. What will be the mass of the same person on Moon?
60 kg, sir. 60 kg. 60 kg, sir.
How many kg?
60 kg, sir. Same kg, sir.
Type, don't tell. Type. Answer, type the answer. Very good, excellent. 60 only. It is not 10 because I am talking about what mass. Mass is same everywhere on the Moon, on the universe, entire universe. Suppose if a person weighs 60 kg on Earth, then what is his weight on Moon? 10 kg. 1/6. So weight changes, but mass remains the same. Understood? Time is considered to be the fourth dimension. How many dimensions you know?
3.
What are the dimensions? What are 3 dimensions?
Weight,
Anyone answer? Anyone answer the 3 dimension? 3 dimensions is the basic. Three dimension is the basic question.
weight, height,
Huh?
Present, past, future.
No. Not that. 3 dimension science. 3 dimension science.
2 dimension, 3 dimensions.
The 3 dimension science is length,
Sir, length, breadth, and width.
and height. Length, breadth, and height. Sudarsana, which standard? And Tulasi Subramaniam, which standard? Type your standard. Sudarsana, what's your name? Your name is Sudarsana, and only in on Google Meet it shows Sudarsana. Danvi. Okay. Tulasi Subramaniam, what's your name? Type. Okay. So fourth dimension, then people say that time. So the time will say that one of the lowest unit of time is what? Even microseconds also we can talk about time, but lowest unit.
attosecond.
Lowest unit.
Sir, attosecond.
Atto is there, femto is there, many are there. Okay. So therefore, normally we'll talk about second. Second. Tulasi, college, doctor of pharmacy. Okay, right. Doing. What's your qualification, Tulasi? Okay, all right. And second time. So one of the lowest unit is second. How many seconds? 1 minute?
60 seconds.
60 seconds, sir.
1 hour is equal to 1 hour. How many seconds?
60 seconds.
3,600
1 hour.
seconds.
3,600.
1 hour is 3,600 seconds. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, right. These are the basic things. Time. Next is temperature. Next is temperature. What is the difference between heat and temperature? What is the difference between
Heat is a source of energy, sir.
heat and the temperature?
Temperature is the hotness or coldness of an object.
Very good, very good, very good. Temperature measures refers to whether it is hotness or coldness.
And heat is a source of energy.
Heat is, you can say, that source of energy or energy transferred between objects due to temperature differences. So that is heat. Okay. So how will you measure? Normally the temperature is the SI unit of measuring temperature. Normally you know centigrade and Fahrenheit. Okay. But the SI unit is Kelvin. SI units for measuring is Kelvin. What is the normal temperature of a human being? Tell me. Normal temperature of a human being.
37 degrees.
What is
37
normal body temperature?
98.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is the normal body temperature? What is our normal body temperature?
37.8 degrees Celsius.
Sir, 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Or this is approximately equal to how many degree of Celsius? 37 degrees Celsius. 37 degree. This is approximately equal to how many degrees in terms of Kelvin? They'll ask in the examination. What is the normal body temperature in terms of Kelvin? Always you add. What is Kelvin? Kelvin is equal to C plus 273. Please note down this formula. Kelvin is equal to C plus 273. That means, now tell me, what is the average, what is the normal body temperature in terms of Kelvin? Anyone?
39 kelvins.
No.
310, sir.
310. So, if someone asks what is your body temperature in terms of Kelvin, means 310. Fahrenheit means 98.4 or 98.6. In terms of centigrade, 37 degree. Any doubt so far?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in UPSC examination, how they ask the essay unit as questions in statement format or the abbreviation?
In normally in the examination, enumerate the 7 units of system, SI system of international. Or sometimes they'll ask what is the basic question. Maybe they'll ask as objective questions. What is the SI unit of temperature or SI unit of amount of substance? Those things. Is standard?
Yes, sir. I'm college final year, sir.
For you, no problem. Okay.
Sir,
Right.
it maybe comes in prelims or mains or comes under both.
Normally in prelims.
Oh, sure, sir. Thank you.
For prelims, you are supposed to know this thing.
Okay, sir.
Next is very important formula. This formula. Please note down this formula. Fahrenheit is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. Please memorize this formula, because converting centigrade into Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit into centigrade also using this formula. Using this formula, you can convert
Sir, doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what's the difference between centigrade and Celsius?
What is that?
Sir, what's the difference between centigrade and Celsius?
This is the unit of measurement. Like what is the difference between, for example, meter and this way, meter and this. What is the difference between meter and kilometer? What is the relation? Both are the units of what measuring what? Both are kilometer and meter. Both are units of measuring distance,
Yes.
right?
Distance.
Similarly, a Fahrenheit and centigrade both are units for measuring the temperature, but there is a relation. Even there is a relation. Meter. What is the relation between meter and kilometer? What is the relation between meter and kilometer? 1000 meter is equal to
1
1
kilometer.
kilometer. Similarly, here there is an equation. Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. So this is very, very important. Please note down this formula.
Okay, sir.
Now, your note, no? Okay. Now, centigrade is equal to 12 means 1 minute. Centigrade is equal to 1 minute. Not this. Centigrade is equal to 15. Then what is its corresponding value in Fahrenheit? Calculate fast. Do this fast. 10 seconds you can answer. Not even 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Even without taking notes. What is the value?
15.
When C is equal to 15 degree, what is the value of 5? What is the value of F?
59, sir.
So F is equal to C is 15.
53.6.
15 into point. Why point?
Sir, 59.
So cancel
Sir,
15.
59.
So 3, 27. What is 27 plus 50, 32?
59.
59.
59, sir.
Okay. So this formula you must memorize. F is equal to C. F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. What next? So next is meter over. Next is electric current. For electric current, the SI unit is ampere. The electric current. What is current? What is the definition of current?
Sir,
Simple definition of current. Simple definition of current.
Rate of change of charges. Electron.
That's all. Current is defined as flow of electrons. That's all. Current is defined as flow of electrons. Next is the amount of substance. The amount of substance is mole. We'll explain later because you may not understand this one. Next is the light. Intensity of light is defined as candela. Because in the olden days, they used for lighting purpose, they used what? Candles.
Candles.
Therefore, this candela is a word derived from candles. Candle. Candela. Candela is intensity of light. Any doubt so far? I suppose take some puzzles. So these are System International. These 7 you are supposed to know. They may ask in the max the following questions. So temperature is Kelvin, distance meter, electric current ampere, time second, amount of substance mole, and the mass kilogram, and intensity of light is candela. Now I'm going to ask you a basic which train your brain, work for your brain. I'll start with a basic puzzle. Listen. A woman was selling fruits. Someone asked, how many fruits are there in the basket? Then she replied, all are mangoes. But 2 means what? Except 2. Now tell me, how many fruits are there in the basket?
Sir, 6.
Sir, 6.
6.
Understand the question?
Sir, 2.
She says that
Sir, 3, sir.
someone asked how many fruits are there in the basket. She says that all are mangoes. All are mangoes except wait. I'll ask.
Sir, 3, sir.
Wait now. All are mangoes, but 2. All are apples, but 2. All are guavas, but 2. Now tell me, how many fruits are totally in the basket? Type the answer. Type the answer.
2.
Aryan, you say 3. Others also said 3. Aryan, how 3 Aryan?
Sir, it's because when she's saying that, for example, all are mangoes except for 2. That means since there are only 2 other fruits in the basket, that means one fruit is mango, one is apple, and one is guava.
No. So that means all are mangoes, but 2 means what? The 2 is non-mangoes, other than mangoes, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, all are apples, but 2 means apple, other than apple is 2. So this way, so therefore this contains exactly correct 1 mango, 1 apple, 1 guava. So therefore, please here it contains 1 mango plus 1 apple plus 1 guava. So therefore, now can I say that all are mangoes except these 2? All are apples except these 2. All are guavas except these 2. People usually answer this as a 6. So 6 is incorrect. The correct answer is 3.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now for Deepika, this question is. Deepika, you are supposed to answer this question. What is the total number of fruits in the basket?
11, sir.
Okay. How many?
11, sir.
11. There it is 1. So therefore you answered 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is not all are mangoes, but 2 except 10. All are apples except 10. All are guavas except 10. That means 5 mangoes, 5 apples, and 5 guavas. So therefore, can I say? So answer is what? What is the answer?
Sir, can
15, sir.
15.
Yes, 15.
5 mangoes, 5 apples, 5 guavas. Therefore, can I say all are mangoes except 10?
Yes, sir.
புரியுதா? அந்த basketல வந்து 5 mangoes இருக்கு, 5 apples இருக்கு, 5 guavas இருக்கு. Can I say எல்லாமே mango தான்? எத்தனை தவிர? Except 10. எல்லாமே apples except 10. எல்லாமே guavas except 10. அவ்வளவுதான். இப்ப சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். சிம்பிளா so that you can understand this one. ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல இருக்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கேக்குறாங்க, how many students in the class? All are boys but 5. Same students இதே கிளாஸ்ல all are girls 5. How many students in the class?
10 students.
How many students in the class?
10 students, sir.
10.
How many boys?
5
How many boys?
students, sir. 10 students.
5 boys and
5 girls.
5 girls.
10 girls, sir.
Suppose like this, then what is the answer? All are boys but 15. All are girls but 25. What is the answer?
Sir, what?
All are boys but 15. But 15. All are girls.
It's 25 boys and 15 girls.
25 boys.
25 boys. Plus what?
25 boys. 25 boys or girls?
Boys.
25 boys, 15 girls.
15 girls. So total number of students?
40.
40.
Okay. Right. That's all. This is one of the basic puzzle. There are many are there. This is one of the basic. For example, next question, the last question of today. 2, 3, 5, 7. What will be the next number?
Sir, 11.
11, sir.
Sir.
11.
Sir. 11, sir. 11.
11 or 9?
11, sir.
11, sir.
The correct answer is 11. Because these are all prime numbers. So next prime number of 7 is 11 only, not 9. Not 9. Another famous sequence is there. They'll ask in most of the competitive examination. We'll see how many of you answer this question. Even if you don't know problem, but please try this. This is a very famous question. Very famous questions asked in most of the competitive examinations.
34, sir. 34, sir.
Who answered first? Who answered first?
Answer.
Huh? Who answered first?
Me, sir. Deepika.
Name. Deepika. How? Concept.
13 plus 21, sir.
Huh? Yeah. Every number besides 0 and 1, every number is the sum of the preceding two numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21. So what will be the next number?
13 plus 21.
13 plus 21. Now this is 30. What is the answer? 34. Jason, now understood? You mentioned I did not understand. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Jason, what is the next number? Tell me, Jason, what is the next number?
Sir,
After
21
34.
plus 34.
Super, excellent. What is the answer? Huh?
55, sir.
55, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll finish today's sessions. Okay.
Sir, current affairs?
நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். அடுத்த next sessionல பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, sir. Thank
We'll
you.
see next session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Class interesting இருக்கா? Class interesting இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Follow பண்ண முடியுதா? Class follow பண்ண முடியுதா? Slow போடுமா? Speed ஓகேயா?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Because many people are there now. So many it's not a homogeneous group. It is a heterogeneous group. Yeah, from 6th standard to college students are there.
Thank you,
Technology topic tomorrow we'll see. Technology. Not only I said technology in the basic technology, everything we'll see that. One by one. Not all in single class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I am weak in maths. Most of them are weak in maths. They think that they are weak in maths, but the one of the easiest subject on the universe is, as far as myself is concerned, mathematics is interesting subject as well as easiest subject. For many people think that maths is difficult. See, please note that easiest subject is maths. The most difficult subject also maths. Why? Because only in maths people score less mark. Only in maths people score centum. Maximum number of centums only in maths. You had doubt in previous class. Okay, tell me, what is the doubt?
Sir.
Subhashri. Subhashri.
Yes, sir.
நீங்க தான் சுபஸ்ரீயா?
Yes, sir.
சொல்லுங்க. What's the doubt?
Sir, last class 25 into 25 அந்த மாதிரி multiplication சொன்னீங்க sir.
Okay.
அதுல இன்னொரு மெத்தட் சொன்னீங்களா சார்? AB AC.
ஆமா.
For example, 22 into 23. Same.
அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. 32 into 38 தான் பண்ணணும். இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணா 10 வரணும். சரியா? அப்ப 8 into 2 is 16, 3 into 4 is 12. சும்மா நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு 32ஐயும் 34ஐயும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணக்கூடாது. This method won't work. புரியுதா? அன்னைக்கு சொல்லிருந்தேன். I told in the other class. And the sum of the unit digit must be 10. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
உங்க டவுட் சால்வ்டா?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. வேற ஏதாவது டவுட் யாருக்காவது இருக்கா?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, pa. So just you have watched part of today's class. To watch this session fully and the other previous recording sessions, please save this number 9840398093 and WhatsApp us JIAS. The course fee for this course is very nominal. It's monthly ₹500 only. You can pay monthly. The same GPay number, you can send the proof, or if you need any more details, you can save this number and kindly WhatsApp JIAS. We are also taking the maths classes live online for school students as well as college students. That is the class specific maths classes. We'll send you some demo sessions. Thank you.